In this training video, we'll be going over adding affected areas. So this is the call report form that you already filled out, but now it's time to list the areas that you worked on. So this is where you would add affected areas. Before I click on this button right here, if I were to inadvertently go to scope first, it's going to remind me, set your areas. You could certainly do it from right here because you forgot to do it. We're going to close it out and we're going to do it the right way. So again, call report's done. We want to add affected areas, okay? Areas that we worked on. So perhaps we worked on a bonus room and we worked on, let's say, the den and let's say the garage. So you highlighted 3, you click on add, check it out. Okay, that's a bonus room, the den, garage, that's correct. If you made a mistake, you could certainly highlight one of these and then remove it if you had to, but we're not going to click here. So this is where we add your affected areas, and then you would click OK. But let's say that in your list over here, you didn't have the area you were looking for that's in the program or in your programming where you added all the areas. We provide areas for you, but you can always add your own. But on the fly, let's say you wanted to add an area right here, just right now, whatever you're going to term that area, you could certainly type it in here, click on the plus, and then it's going to go at the bottom of your list. You would click on the plus, as I said, and then it just showed up right there. Okay, we just typed that in on the fly. And this is only for in the moment. All these can be programmed and you can use the ones that we give you. Okay, so we're happy with what we chose and we'd click OK. And you now have your areas programmed. You certainly could go to scope and then you would see your areas populated. We'll show you this in another video. But that's how you add affected areas. This button right here is always available for you. To your success, and thank you for watching.